Going on, everybody? Got a 2025 Acura TLX key fob. This is how you open it to replace the battery. All right, notice there's a button right here at the bottom, a blank button, not hold, but this one right here. I'm going to press and hold that one down, okay, and that unlocks the emergency key. Okay, if you didn't know, you have an emergency key for the door. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove this back panel here, and that gives us a little slot right here for a flathead screwdriver. Put it in here, give it a twist, pops it right up and open, and here's our battery. Go ahead and pry the battery out. There's a little slot at the bottom, just be pretty gentle with it. Get your new battery. The battery size is a CR2032, positive sign right here facing out towards us. Slide it into the top first like this, push it in like that. You hear it click and lock. If you need a battery, check the description box. I have a link takes you to Amazon where you get the correct size replacement battery. Now we get our cover here. The top goes in first, has these little feet. Slide it in, lock it down, and if the emergency key goes back in and locks, you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment if you could. And if you'd like to see more accurate content, hit that subscribe button.